Now we're going to introduce you the AdWord variable display function. First, choose the AdWord variable function and select the area you want to display the AdWord. Customize the variable memory address. Set it as 0060. The initial value will be 0, and the variable type will be long int. The AdWord we are using should be saved as icon file. Once we choose the start icon, it will automatically set the corresponding value to each number. Then we will set a data entry function. You can check the previous video if you are not sure how to do it. We shall set the variable memory as same as the AdWord, and variable type as same. After all that's done, click Save, Generate, and Download.